Okay, welcome back to Messy Garage. Today we are going to fix the headlight in my F30. Got the warning light that my low beam was malfunctioning. Actually what that means is just your headlight's going out. So I went on Amazon and new headlights. So the ones I got are these. I'll leave a description in the video with a link to where I got those. What I'm going to do, I got the car in here. I'm going to replace both headlights at the same time, just because once you're doing it, you're going to end up getting one replaced. Everything's going to be right with the world, and the other one's going to go out. So I just bought two. We'll do two at the same time. I'll only show you one because it's third verse, same as the first. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to get into the car and I'm going to crank the wheel open so that we can get access to the fender, because we're going to be getting in here to get those headlights. So let me get that going and be right back. Okay, so what we got, I've taken the wheel, cranked it over here so I'll be able to get in. See if you can see where we're looking at. I'm going to be going to that door right there. I'm going to use another camera as well inside there so you can see. Hopefully my hands won't get in the way. We'll be able to show you what I am doing, how I'm getting this done. So let me set that camera up and be right back. So we're looking at this door here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my fingers, try to pull these down, little clips, then pull that door out, and that's clips are right here. I kind of just weave it in to the container. Now you'll see we have this circular cap. We're just going to twist that counterclockwise, set that aside, and now you should be able to see your bulb in there. Alright, for this part I'm going to glove up because we don't really want to touch the glass and get oils on it. So as you can see in here, there's a little connector. We want to just kind of pull down and wiggle that out. Looks like this. Set that aside. And then what we're going to do, there's a metal clip up here. You can see the wires of the clip there. There it goes. So you're pressing it towards the front of the vehicle, and then I'm on the driver's side, US driver's side. So what I did is I pressed it in and to the left or the outside of the car, and let's get that out of the way. Pull that clip down. Should be able to just pull the bulb straight out, and there it is. So this is our bad bulb. And here's the new light. Looks just like the old light, except for it's not burnt out, which is a good sign. So in reverse order, you just want to get the bulb carefully in there. So you just feel it seat in there, and then I'm going to put the clip back on. Just plug it in. The clip's in, and I'm going to reconnect this, and then we're actually done. So what I'll do is I'll finish this up, which is just putting everything together, reverse of how it came apart, and then test it out. So it's the same procedure for the left side and right side of the car. Alright, so there's no idiot lights on except for I have no seatbelt and my gas tank is about empty. but those two you don't need a video to fix. Headlight is fixed. You don't see any error message down there anymore, and we're all good. So what I'm going to do now is I will fix the one on the passenger side off camera, because it's the same thing as what I just showed you. And if there's any questions, comments, leave them in the comments below. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, and see you in the next video.